You searched how to buy shares of Saul Centers Inc. Saul Centers Inc. is a REIT focused on retail shopping centers, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BFS. This video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BFS. Select the listing that matches Saul Centers Inc. to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company overview and business summary that shows it operates shopping centers. Check the price chart and trading information to confirm this is the right Saul Centers Inc. listing. Tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Choose Market or Limit Order. Then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor and manage it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account or follow the same steps.